The Aeolian Mode, sometimes referred to as the natural minor, features not one, not two, but three minor intervals: the minor third, the minor sixth, and the flattened seventh. The minor third is synonymous with sadness, a contrast to the bright and cheerful major third. The minor sixth is associated with sadness and pain. Angst is the word that goes with it. And the flattened seventh removes the drive back to one. Like the Mixolydian mode, it disrupts the flow and becomes contemplative. Contemplative, a good word meaning thoughtful. Which is why rock guitarists are legendary for noodling in Aeolian and Mixolydian for hours on end. A perfect song to demonstrate the Aeolian mode feeling timeless is All Along the Watchtower by Bob Dylan, or brilliantly covered by Jimi Hendrix.